Happy Monday! Today we will be starting our lesson with grammar. Today is a day 5, so you will have a grammar quiz and a spelling quiz today. Please log on at 11 o'clock and I will distribute your spelling test. Let's look at our grammar for today. We have be careful when you're near the rose bushes. Luke hurt 2 of his fingers on one of them. Okay, so first thing is first, when we start a sentence, we always start with a capital letter. So let's make that a capital B. Be careful when you're near the rose bushes. For grammar, we've been working with singular and plural nouns. Rose bushes, it has an SH at the end, so we put an ES, not just an S. We have punctuation, a period, and that looks good. Let's look at our second sentence. Luke hurt 2 of his finger on one of them. What do we need to add at the end? 2 means more than 1, so we need to make finger plural. Let's add an S. Luke hurt his finger on one of them. Also, Mrs. Bliley forgot. I just noticed this mistake in our first sentence. You're near. That's not the correct you're. We need to put you are. Sorry about that. Okay, next I want to go over your vocabulary because on Tuesday you will have your comprehension and vocab test. So I just want to go over this so that you remember what our vocab words are. So the first word we have is photographs or pictures. I like to look at old family photographs. The next one is valuable. Valuable means to something that is a lot of money, worth a lot of money, or something that means something very special to someone. So we have an example. The card I made is very valuable to my grandmother. Whispered. Remember, that's to talk very softly. Trudy whispered the plan to Josh so no one else could hear. Arrived. Arrived is to show up somewhere at a certain time. Aunt Sophie was so happy when we arrived at her house. Immigrated. Remember, that's when someone else lives in a different country and they move to a new country. So many people immigrated to the United States from other countries. They moved or traveled to a new country. Inspected. Inspected, use that magnifying glass and look very, very closely at something. Stacy inspected the pine cones carefully. Moment. A moment is a very quick moment in time. So the match stayed lit for a moment and then it went out. Opportunity. This is a chance of something. Our class had an opportunity or chance to visit the museum. Okay, those are 8 vocab words. You have your spelling quiz later today for your 10 words. Please review that before 11 o'clock. I will come on and administer the quiz for you. Have a wonderful day.